welcome back to my channel, Jar Creates. Hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. But today's video, I will be installing a lace frontal. So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Press that bell so you don't miss any videos. Give this video a fat thumbs up and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So this is my second time wearing a lace front, but it's my first time installing one. So cross my fingers and I pray and hope to God that this turned out right. So this is the wig I'm going to be installing. As you can see, not the same color though. This is just a picture. It's called a Sensational Vice HD lace wig. It is a unit 10. So a little backstory behind this wig. So this wig, I'm not really 100% sure when it exactly came out, but it went popular, went viral like a year or two ago. And I became obsessed with it because I saw it on TikTok. And I was like, that is a pretty wig. I really want that wig. So this was before I was driving. I wasn't really going nowhere. And I wasn't really wearing wigs either. Wasn't really going to beauty supply stores. So I never really knew what type of wigs the stores had and stuff like that. So I tried to find it online. It was sold out everywhere online. So I was like, let me try a beauty supply store, see if I can find it. And when I finally found the wig at a beauty supply store, they didn't have the color I wanted. So I kept looking for it, never could find it because it was always sold out. So I eventually just forgot about the wig. So then like recently, like a week or two ago, I was just sitting thinking about the wig randomly. And I was like, I really wanted that wig. I wonder, if they have it in stock or not. I might try to see if I can find it again. So I was just randomly on TikTok scrolling, and like the second video, I saw this girl installing a wig, and I was like, oh, that's a really pretty wig. So, and I had been looking at a lot of videos because I knew I was going to eventually get a wig so I can install it. And I was like, I really need to know how to do it myself without having to pay somebody to do it for me. So I went on her page to see if she had any more videos to look at because she made it look so easy and simple. And I kid you not, I saw a picture of this wig and I was like, oh shoot. So I clicked on the video and she was installing a wig just like this. It wasn't a color I wanted, but I was like, you know what, I'm about to find that wig, see if I can buy it because I really want it so bad. So I went back online on Google. I went to search it up and I saw the first website was wigtypes.com. So I clicked on it, looked at the wig. I was like, they do have my color in stock, but it might not be here in time when I actually want it. And I saw the reviews. I was like, I don't know if I can trust this website. So I almost went on YouTube to see if anybody had ever ordered from this website. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna see what other websites they have. So I saw Amazon right behind it. I was like, you know what? Let me see if they have it on Amazon, because Amazon Prime, you'll have it like in a few days. So I went on there, searched the colors, and I found my wig. The wig was $60. I paid like $64 something after tax. So I went on ahead and ordered it, and it came 2 days early. So here it is. I am super excited to install this wig. So let's get into it. I'm gonna speed up this video so it can go by faster. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna go in with my edge control and I'm going to put it all around my edges so that way I can slick my hair back so it won't be in the way once I apply this ball cap and this lace. Once I did that, I went in with my comb and I'm just gonna comb my hair all the way back. That way it's not a middle part, because that's exactly how it was before I applied the edge control. And now I'm gonna go in with the brush and get rid of the flyaways and make sure it's sleek. Okay, so next it's time to apply the bald cap. Get all this thick hair in. I actually bought me a 12-pack of bald caps from Amazon. I got the darker brown, and then I have these lighter ones. So I know y'all are wondering why there is a big jump in between. So what happened was I had to install 2 different bald caps because the first one I messed up on it and it did not stick to my forehead like it was supposed to. So this time it finally worked. So now I'm going in with my scissors and cutting it. Scissors wasn't working for me. So I'm using this eyebrow tool to cut the rest of the excess lace off and keep what's glued down. So now I'm going in with my pressed powder, and of course I'm just going to blend it with the bald cap so it can look like my skin. Okay y'all, so let's open up this wig so y'all can get a better look, a closer look at this beauty right here. This wig is so pretty and layered, and I love the pink and black mix. Very, very cute. I'm going to spray this lace with the Got To Be spray, and then I'm going to go in with my pressed powder again, so that way this lace can be given. So this is the glue that I use to glue this bald cap to my forehead, and it's Ghost Bond glue. And I'm going to go in with this little silver pick comb, and I'm just going to use it to spread that all over the edges of the bald cap. That way I can apply the lace. So next, after I apply the glue, I'm going to go back in with my blow dryer and just dry this glue up a little bit. Not all the way, because I still want the lace to stick to it really good. That way it can like mold together. So now a time to apply the wig, and this is where I messed up. So for some reason, I don't know what went over me, but I didn't apply the wig to my edges like I was supposed to, like where my sideburns are. So it was just bald cap right there. So y'all gonna see in the end, I did mess up a little bit, and my wig, my part was a little crooked, but I did fix that, so that was good in the end. I'm just going to clip this hair behind and out of the way. That way I can start to cut this lace off. I'm using this little elastic band. I got this from Amazon as well. I got two, and I'm just using it to make sure that my lace is flat and molded down to the bald cap, and it won't, you know, lift. And of course, I'm going back in with my blow dryer once again to make sure it's really dry. So finished drying and remove the elastic band. Now I'm going in with my scissors to start cutting this lace. And of course the scissors started not working for me again. So I went back in with the brow tool because that cuts way better. Going in with some alcohol and a cloth just to clean up my edges a little bit, remove some of the glue and the makeup residue so it won't be all on my forehead. Now I'm going to go in with my liquid foundation, and I'm just going to put it in the middle part and all around my lace so it can blend in a little bit better with my skin color. So next I'm going to start using this brush to separate some edges out, and then go back in with the brow tool to cut them to the length that I want, and to also better cover up the lace in the front and make it look a little bit more suitable and natural. As you see here, going back in with my edge control to go ahead and mold those down and put them in swoop mode. So I've removed my clip, finished everything I needed to, and I'm going in with this paddle brush. I think that's what it's called. And I'm just going to brush out the wig and make sure it's all flat and it comes together with the curls. Going in with my hot comb, probably didn't really need to do this step. I got this hot comb from Amazon for about $20–30, and I'm just going in with the hot comb, making sure everything is flat and straight, and you know, just not no flyaways or anything. Okay y'all, so this is the finished product. I'm finally done after like an hour or so maybe installing this wig, and I can say it actually looks good for my first time. I definitely could have did better on some parts. It's like my sides right here, but at the end of the day I feel like it still looks really good. The wig itself is synthetic, so it's going to shed, but the maintenance of it should be pretty easy to keep up with it, therefore it can last a while. And I will make sure to keep this lace intact so I can keep this on for at least a week or two. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial of mine. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.